Hi everybody, my name is Joe Pappas and I'm a sales engineer with Camunda. In this video, we'll be talking about updating Camunda processes with newer versions. You can see a picture of me there, as well as a link to my LinkedIn profile. Our company decided to make changes to the customer onboarding process to better serve our newest customers after getting some feedback from them regarding a lack of human interaction upon being added as a new customer. We'll update the process to introduce a new user task welcoming our newest customer. We'll then deploy the improved process to demonstrate how easy deploying a new version can be. So let's get started. I've opened up a browser window and navigated to Camunda Cockpit. For those of you who are not familiar with Camunda Cockpit, it allows system admins, process admins, super users, etc. to view what is currently happening in the Camunda server and allows them to administer process flows. As you can see, we've got 4 different process definitions deployed. Let's drill into one of them, customer onboarding. As you see here, we have 3 different process versions, and we have one instance currently running in version 3. Let's suppose we want to update this process so that we add another human task to this process once a customer has been accepted. All right, so we'll put a human task right here and deploy a new version of the process. We can see how easily you can add a new version of a process to a Camunda server. Switching back over to Modeler, we see our original customer onboarding process, and I've added this reach out to new customer user task. The resources for this particular process application have already been deployed with older versions of this process and don't have to be redeployed. So as a result, we can redeploy this process directly from Modeler. You just need an available REST endpoint. So as you come here, click on deploy, and we see that the deployment has succeeded. Next, we'll switch back to Cockpit, view the new process definition, kick off a new instance, and see it in action. Okay, after logging in, let's check out the latest version of customer onboarding. We now see we've got a 4th version of this process definition with the added task here. Currently, there are no process instances running just yet. Let's change that. So this is our fictitious telco company, Camunda. I'm going to apply for a new internet connectivity package. So first, I need to put in my location here. Then I'll check on availability. I will apply for the super high-speed package. I'll fill out this form here. I've got a little cheat sheet here to ensure that the application is automatically approved, and it moves on to the new step within the process. Okay, so we kicked off that new process. Let's go back to Cockpit here. Let's do a refresh. And we now see the new process instance running on the latest version of the process definition. And we can see that process instance is at the new user task, reach out to new customer. But wait, there's more. What happens to process instances already in flight? Well, they will continue to run in each of the versions they were started in, but you also have the option of migrating those instances, which is the subject of another video. Thank you.